Hello everyone, welcome to Faisal Television. Today I have this Samsung 55-inch 4K Smart LED TV. The problem is blink. Half screen is okay and half screen is blink. So I will remove this gate ribbons from right side. Let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. Right and left side. So I remove gate ribbon from this side. Okay, one by one. Okay, we remove one by one, so the screen will become normal condition. Okay, okay, done. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching. Like, share and comment. For any information kindly contact. I remove these gate ribbons from right side. Model UA55KU6000K. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching. Now the picture is clear, it's normal condition. I remove this gate ribbons from the right side. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.